Hi guys, Enda here from TrendSpotter. Up $900 today with 2 wins and 1 loss on BA. Let's dive right in. BA was a tricky one. Just looking at Roku there. Anyways, BA was a tricky one. Well, tricky as usual, I suppose. Took the first trade at 932, went short, and my plan here was to enter on the 2 and exit on the 1 if it's reversed. And I actually did it on the first one and won more money than I would have normally won. So that was a good success. So I entered 183.97, which was in here, 183.97 right there, as it broke. 183, and I got out in here. So that was a 149 move. Now, what I did was I took a partial. So I took a partial of 183.14, which was in here, right in here. And so I had 500 shares sold, and that gave me like $415. So then it came down. So I was nice when I was well in the money. Came up here. I said I was going to use the break of the VWAP to get out, even though my entry was 97, so I had loads of room there. Then it came back down, and then this had such a strong upward candle here, this green one. So that was kind of my exit, was the first 1 minute to change direction. And because there was no wicks on this, I actually got out here, and I got out high as well, 84 on that. And then it rolled over a small bit more, like another dollar really in that. But that was all right. My first move was $1,080. So I was riding high on that. That was great. Next move, which was the loss, 951. Sorry, 951. Okay, so 951 in here. And I got in very low on that. And it should have waited really till 52. I kind of jumped the gun a little bit on it. But either way, got in here for a short. You can see it here. Big pig candle there, big pig candle there. I didn't pay attention to that. Got in short. I just figured BA is going to do the a kind of a rollover on it. So I got in 181.87. Only went 42 cents in my favor, and then kind of went back against me. But I stayed in it for quite a while. I stayed in it until 10:01, which was here. Right in here, actually. Sold out here at 37. In here. And then I re-entered 10:02. So what I was trying to do here was enter when it broke the VWAP, 10:02, right here. And it did break the VWAP, but it was kind of almost a false breakout. My entry was 77, 182.77. Had to sit through a pullback, but it wasn't an enormous pullback. Like, it just wasn't. I just wasn't, like, the moves weren't easy. You know, there was all this going on. I don't like that kind of stuff. So I had to sit through what was 64 cent, I think it was like 70 cent in the end, pullback before it broke out. And it did break out. It broke out nicely too. You can see it here on the 2 minute, 77, which was here. So basically gave up a 94 cent move, which was nice, and then took it all back and then went down into this sideways choppy chop. Look at that. Ugh, nauseating. It's like turbulence. But I sold out at 40. I sold out a partial at 40 actually. So up in here, which was a nice sell. And then I said I'm going to sell out then when I get to like 77 or break. Or no, sorry, I was going to hang on for another dollar because that was it. And then this just shot straight down. Boom, boom, boom. But got down to 78 is where I sold, which was basically 1 cent over my entry. And that was it. That was it. That was like a $320 move. Nothing to write home about, but I'm kind of glad I did it. I could have taken more profit and be more profitable, but I know I'm going to catch the big BA moves. This wasn't a particularly big one. I got in decent, you know, 183 to 181, so like $2. And that little green candle stopped me out on it. I know what I'm doing is right. It doesn't feel right when you're leaving money on the table, though. Or not leaving money into when I could have taken off the money earlier. Now, if I was watching NVAX today. Oh my goodness, NVAX, what did you do? So NVAX was here. I was looking at it, so missed this move here on NVAX, right? 47, right? So it came down, and then it bounced, it went green, and I was looking at it to go short at like 104.20. So 104.20, watch 10.05, watch what happened. And of course I went into BA. So let's just go here. So NVAX did a $7 move, $7.50 move in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. straight down. So missed out bigly. And that's pretty much it, guys. Glad to be up $900. Wasn't the easiest day. Kept my losses tight. Would have only been up about $580, but went back in for one more trade, and it was kind of a balls of a trade, really. And just took money out and tripped out of it and shut the door behind me. That's it, done. So we'll be back at it tomorrow, guys. If anybody needs a trial of TrendSpotter, come over or see the details below. We also have a course on how to use TrendSpotter and trade profitably like me. If you want to trade exactly like me and get the wins I'm getting, we have a full course on that as well, okay? Talk to you in the next one. As always, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more info, and if you require a trial of TrendSpotter, click the link in the description. Talk to you in the next one.